na transfer no ye be ram kakra na mo me na mbobo we so etimi emfa emasha no say division 1 super cup na ram the semi final stage ni Liberty Professionals ebebo Sama Tesnyambo chna na afi Tamale City omo eni nsu atrema na de ebebo ani ani na do ani chemu chebi Astro no so na games no ejepena na etimi akoso na munram we okrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko maso e kakra na ye hwesere nema esi etie na amepa cho mindua wa meba kramu yanto boase meba na mababe yiwe ya na mo famen ko na ye hwe Kotoko preseason no matches so mebo no Sudan say initially no na ayese be ko Turkey na metra ka Turkey no emma so na mo no be ko no Sudan enti ene Kotobo Hilal after no Friday ombesani Hilal bobo kona Singapore na Sunday omabo Simba after no mare say 30th and 31st yes Timba Koba about the CAF Confederation Cup and also no ombe so betimi eromona aboa na nema deda ye pa na omonisa team no so etimi abon ti sa prepe ene team is we na ye mo pa be sa aboa ma league in Africa no mo kono nema deda ye etimi ye amamo na nra training na course no ne hu se the CEO na na amponsa na management members no ha hwe se the name city ani imuru ba ona na nkomodidiem no se David Obinya kon Emmanuel Dasubre ene omo makari nya no mo ne no edidi nkomana nkomodidie no se na eko
I said, friendly match. Oh, yeah, family. Who may dry? I try.
Somebody in the lap side. I got a quarter. This is our Pablo Mitras.
Oh, sure. Oh, you're qualified.
Tiano ya na cheze de na koso no na si we bizaze na o match no bebo bia na ozi o mebo no ze masa on qualify anywhere permit zo beba na game no wa baba be jamo etimi abo adwuma nti sa prepe ere no so hon sese no esi a ye de e down wona ma ne makwe na mama me on pictures na no pay no omo form breakfast no tutumu sa mpa crop bia no na omo wiwe nyina wie na omo koku gina ma adwuma omo be na nya adwuma keto akra di Kotoko Sudan na timu se nema ededa ye pa so no etimi ede emo kama pa na monfianko the transfer window na yerenra signings a etimi ekoso Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko number 1 yewo Nicholas Meza ojam Sompa mamenye mojuma pacho Nicholas Meza ene Nicholas Meza yewo Thomas Pili enti o join here Sompa TV Sompa 93.1 na wababa behe edaso buyi na wababa Kotoko mo signing so mo ye no Most Poati yewo Eric Sage Zeze Frederick Asai Nicholas Osei Bonsu Enoch Morrison Steve Mokwala Enes Osei Puku Sheriff Mohammed and Abrantia ye friend John Tereku eti omo na emrantia ni omo ewrama omo boama na makoye pa etimi ede emomo eti eno ye krobia Kumasi Asante Korokodie no mama me heart to folk na heart your Prince Akwasi Damang Eric Eso Eric Ofoyentwi Yasan Washin Junior Kaba Zakaria Yakubu Wisdom Bumakpo Maso Abekwi Kunedu Yadom Meba Miki ona Miki Ramu Kakra on Kunedu Yadom de no na yare said Migi boy me Kunedu answer na makọ the other teams so Kunedu Yadom as of now report in HZ and go through send it
there were two parties to a transfer
player
no baby Ofriba ana a club or general club no general has to folk baby Ofriba ni Tema United no Jordan ni Joab Abdusalam was my boni di achel now has a TS card yamano I was already release letter Emma has now officially has FASO the register player no on the TMS has a Chemo register player no on also story and they say on file release letter man has because he can no and ya the mama make a commitment be as enti on also on farm mamo and it has a register player na illegal yes that's a bone of contention now come didi akoso Sikana omode man no omedi nka man kakra once dem betu din wa good kakra na waje no ono fili say so na boy ni nya start bope eno ano no
for nya
dia has be
to obeji ni nyina
exactly so
as for there so omo register no
has say omo register
and nipa no kra player na say
your kwan o say open release letter now for a considerable period selling club no and even agent to some extent amount that release letter no you can go to the National Association now what trigger processor or another release letter to cover up for that and also to cover for that. In this case, say has a registered boy and legitimator. Only the FA and a almost authorization. So the FA can give without you getting it from the club. Now, and you see at the point in time where you think that the other party has acted in bad faith. Say bia neju medi onu wudi achia who prepare wom unze nipa no somehow or person fa aye kwan boni bi so no de bu.
Oh, okay.
So on the way is it. Yeah. Into ohwe na dwumadi onu de na nkita wudi onu wudi no enya de apepeye wo mu a obetime gyan na chidi na wakọ efe ne ho na wa submit de kire se bibisa akoso. Into if as of folk a register player na yampampa then the FA gave them that authorization. Now player no Joabu Salam say boy no onye has player assistance no onye has player
the team main player
ayo ne dia
on one dia
yes has into me you see no that is a bono on to me you see because on file release letter ne momo the enti ogina so ne or disika no dia to say enra oko house of folk secretariat anopa be 10:30-11 ekotena ho asan kombe wie processes ni na nsem bia wo kunedu yado ho bia no omahwe no omasia no ana omawie osi ofri on after 6 p.m. still house of 4 ene omo aho keka no na wo fom omaye omadwen se sika na no mo mpese omo betua eni sade a ono so amfa release letter na amfa momo 2 osia no nanchen house of folk penia eye ora soa odote ono and I prepare contract of the boy. No prepare contract, no, there were certain vital information missing. Player be our identity. Identity no, yet to me duplicate no. In the same TFM Michael Asaibodu. But obiso Ghana high be any friend Michael Asaibodu.
Yeah.
Until obi be identity in team. Ebi they say ID card, your number also. To say be our Ghana card, your number also, and our passport. Now for players, I have a passport in a buapa because I am going to a moon.
Yeah.
In the passport number crano any contract in so. Uye no free moi. Boy need date of birth. Date of birth sounds to me boy to identify who you are. Because yeah. Benya Michael Asaibodu won in 2000. And you are Michael Asaibodu won in 1990. And now the betting tem your opinion and eketwa.
I be all same thing crap in Kotoko. Is your registration or your Sharif Mohammed for me, you know?
Exactly. And Tisano, the Abebane say, I was some comedy shame. No, so I'm prepare boy in a contract. And I said, your mammy and Matudino, name him.
House of folk.
I said, name him. Into no crown the core secretary or toko correct or more. Na the Omokasaya Kudri and said there should have been another payment. Wajet first tranche no. Sikanwe Omotu Ebi Muaje. Second tranche in the enquire. The waje no $5,000. Was a peanut. It's
at your mother, the account and count.
At least almost me to be crying anymore. Has also say and the omra no montinas in dim common into the akunko no, but has insist
so register boy
no. The manager and then the club Tema United the big boy no register and I'm your boy and none when they are no, but there can be a way out. Say has the energy gua. It doesn't mean or better if he can move abroad.
Mate, Eddie, my guys, I will do no wabo modia konedu yadom Oleg, former captain of the Mawafa. Na boy no cry zunto to no ni Ghana, Austria, okay. The Black Galaxy team no. Adriana Stars, Mama Adriana Stars, Adriana. Miki.
Joabu Salam say kotoko diska by pa. Kotoko disika kesiye by pa for kunedu yadom.
Okay.
Sika oje has no. Kotoko de be 25% more count. Yes. No ne has one kita hu. The SS Raj any player. Ana Salim ono so any player. Our boy be Osha has squad ni mo. Mohammed Kudus be wom.
Yeah, Kudus. That young player.
Yes, any boy. Radio Voka. Ne boy. Into one has was saying kita hu. Then was in a family no. Has a busiana no mababe remu andesa.
DJ Zene ampaze kotoko TC.
But see original way. When none ho pass one je kotoko na na ya mponse sika no. Say na ya obie na no catch and say has phone niska into one job no sika no normal boy and mebo
Sir.
yes ne no masem
Okay.
ne no masem no
Mate.
nti when no ne ho pass wa
kotoko
amfa kotoko bebre ka ho bata
no fire we bebre ka ho
ba
or the fatema me Eduala Stars Eduala Football Club na baba show next time in the football club Eduala also dey 18 players big up na 18 players are they Dabi Matiz 18 Isaac Minta Richard Mama Akwesi Mensah Gabriel Justus Tosuche
4
Addison Asamoah
5
Nelson Lazagra
6
Akwesi Mensah
7
Sadat Abbas
8
Charles Mensah
9
William Frimpong
10
Yawansa Foforo
11
Kingsford Japan
12
Stephen Anochi Bedu
13
Solomon Abuaje
14
Douglas Uzu Ansa former Kotoko
15
okay Godfred Poku Waki
15
Samson Kobina
na family su kakra
Oya blend the oya the net wo what can 50-50 Zambia sir Oya blend 80 players ya dey
say kind of ball pause
the Eduala Stars 80 players Brighton Chelsea can be
team na nkasa no you are dispensing of close to 20 players
okay
yeah
bare 20 players score
yeah and I build it from the scratch you know near coach Peno no I am no hu Akwesi Mensah o team no ma o ya akora ketewa su kono makora okọ school ti ayamas
okay
nti Nicola Mickey goes there ni jigu ye no and yesu tisi kotoko achi wa amaso
na mokofa we no adi Nicolas Mensah mo kon Mickey
no o ye ni ye training ball 3 weeks of course wow we are not even going to lie about that Nicolas na ofri Del Sanko akon
Mickey
aye Sompa 93 only training 3 weeks omo nam kwan so bejo musika omo dress ushae and I got Del Sanko done in and August na on we friend their communications like David
yeah
you know look football business you lose some you get some
Bishop Nicolas Mensah Mickey the talent no anu edion
obianim baby I didn't do you any problem ideally you be pananka or a team because you play and a coach na huna or see your pen and in the day baby it's part of it tinu eguswa ya hihye team no tinu ye my who pressure be brain no ya in-house training all along because park we sit down do wa o hwebi na him so na ba no abehwe ball ni bi so ti say coach ni players or pay and the Charles Mensah had to come in and replace McCarthy because in some kaya only Ashanti Gold Kayano and repay for us to work.
Meeting up the chair
into the Ayadrian said the next window. Next window you better register to pay McCarthy on your train.
What did I Mate, the Mama Menko, Brekum Chelsea. Now Chelsea here. Now, okay, the Monyana Hosa, Mama, Ken Pfizer, George Osei Amponsa. Abednego Tete, Godfred Isiama, Suraj Ibrahim Idrusu, Joseph Adijumo, Daniel Jackson, Perry Addison Roxon, Joseph Kwache, Abdullah Ibrahim, goalkeeper from Kano Palace, Tiken Pfizer no Brekum Chelsea, Afriye Mishak, Kusi Pedros, Emmanuel Adu, Kalu Watara, Awa Dramani, Frank Opon, Flavio Kwasi Kongosa, former Liberty Eduana Football Club, Yaudakwa Liedi, Felix Lamte, Enaclen Afo. That's for Brekum Chelsea. Became United, Yawo Frank Priso. Now we know of Cameroon and are joining Became United. And your Tenleb, Yapi, Gable, and also from Cameroon, and are joining Omo. Yawo Andy Kumi Francis, Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and Uramu Became United. Elijah Adai, no boy made a man Ashanti Gold, and Andrew Sapia. Now Andrew Sapia Bishop, as you will soon Clinton Diodu, as Omo born is also no Park Academy, and I was joining Omo. Baba Bijma, Midiema Sporting Club Limited, Kofi Mensah, Abranti FN Anastasius, Sato, Joshua Ajiman, Apia Kubi, Benjamin Ofori-Boateng, Manuel Mante, Ishmael Hammond, Kwijo Amwakon, Fram Boateng, Hans Kofi, Derek Fojo, Hafiz Mohammed, Kader Boaba, Rashid Yusuf, and Clement Asian, and Ahmed Basi. Oba Great Olympisa, Prosper Avo one experienced player in league in Wabache pa. Your Daniel Kwe, Emmanuel Entry, Emmanuel Ajimabedu, Aite Aikwe, Mutawakil Fuseni, and Michael Yabwa, former Kotoko, Mediema, 11 Wonders, Brekum Chelsea, Michael Yabwa, no Dreams FC, Bawa Lord Marty, Charles Ousu, and Abranti FNA Siokon Gideon. Charles Ousu.
Oh, it's not Kumasa Sante Kotoko Charles Ousu.
Charles Ousu.
If it is, why not?
We all.
That's what I'm wondering.
If it is, why not?
Possible.
No,
But we Charles. Not Charles in your part of squad the
call Sudan.
Then why not?
Charles Ozebiana or Kwakwa. Legon Cities, Kofi Koji.
Hey!
And the Legon Cities, they Kofi Koji Abba. FC Samates. Abbas Ganiu, Larry Smiler, Emmanuel Kayeke, Richard Bedu, Gabriel Apia, Ebenezer Aqua, Sidu Abubakari, Isaac Kafo, James Seono, Elon, Gabriel Bona, Yusuf Sedu Dauda, Kofi Ba, Emmanuel Kwatin, Thomas Aqua Darlington, Ferry Kansabochi, Migi. And also 170 to say.
Well, and Sabotre now I was saying but there is still a situation with the TMS as it stands now 50-50. If Samates are able to rectify issues and now problems there, and your problem challenges be or more encounter with registration on the transfer matching system now, then onya the umbe sign no. And he said BBA go through there, they will pursue or you play or more pay. Or identify the profile, no coach Nankasa Swajinatum. So based on coaching recommendation, they will need him on board. But the issue near TMS, FIFA TMS, to make clear no, then they will register him fully.
Mate, Zoano your latest and or the on Freddy Kansabochi. Momianko, Real Tamale United, Abdul Manaf Umar, na Oboedema Hartefuk, your Badu Dankwa Steven, and also no Nino Yijma the moment MSS system nunku PFM. And on Masan Chinashim, Michelle Sapon, and so no ye made my heart. Last is no Elmina Shaks, and a George Renchi no boy made my Brekum Chelsea. And they were joining Real Tamale United. And Timomian Queenim, Tamale City, Abrantia, Yefene, Kolag, Israel, Yo Gabriel Nogdakpa, Isa Inyabila, Gideon Champon, Levinshos Ata, Osea Kutu, Emmanuel Eben, and a Prosper Fabian. Etiomona Remo, Inshateman. Emos Yabwa, Bernard Usu, Walid Nema Fuseni. Bijabuni Walid Nema Fuseni. Fine player pa. Walid Nema Fuseni. Ibrahim Adam. Sule Musa. Wasama Inshateman. Yeah, Sule Musa. And Nuruddin Abdullahi. That will play na Mujana Kwaino. Newaba. Clement Bio. Baba Mahama, football president, no. Richard Akrufi, Freddie Boati, Obinim Sticker, Kofunan Traore, Yo Kwabna Kalala, and Kalala in Bobo, Kalala in Bobo, Kalala. Akomia, Tiseri Mahmoud, Daniel Atejeu, and Martinenchi. Martinenchi former Krobia Kwasi Asate Kotoko. Alonso Ramu. Bidiani Gold Stars. Yo Joseph Ban, Mpem Da Costa, Atakusi. Muntari Shafik, Ibrahim La, Mauli Wayo, and a Richmond Opoku Manu, and Bibiani Go Stars no. Karela United, Evans Adomako, the Go Monga. Evans Adomako, the Go Monga, former Krobia Kumasia Santi Kroko striker. Obalo Karela United. Your Enoch Agbenyo, and a Joseph Dinku, Tianoye Karela United. Akim Odan Kotoku Royals. Ferdinand Sebi Aqua, Kwabna Wilson, Abdul Nasiu, Tare Mensa, Etiomonso Neremo, Akimoda Kotoku Royals, Etiomomian Quenim, na yehe, na yehu said near city, na yenye we are. Mama, I am on Waka Lions, you, Mon Park Lions, dear Mamma, Mindia no home como. But I know when you're ready, you know, a player who is be any Go Stars. I official, my joining teams to be on your Mokaka Prince Opoku Ajima Bedi. Eramu Iraq Division 1 team from Duhawk Sports and on the Prince Opuku Ajiman where Roma or Kona Wakakobo Ejumedi Amomo and a Bishop Sisi also I confirm them Rame catch was a Kukudia FBBN Go Stars while joining Ethiopian Coffee Sports at the Hona Kukudia Agauli
solid move.
Roho
Solid player.
Former Dubiase King Fighter BBN Go Stars where Remo Ethiopian League in Ima or Kona Wakakobo Ejumana Boa na Boa Maniama Koye
Sundowns. There's advantage. I will call her now. Yeah, dear. It's easy because the Bass and the Sundowns will be looking.
Because the team is saying here, no. Yeah, now Tombi.
Yeah.
Now discover men's in minds.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
No,
I'm auto defenders in our never say.
Yeah.
You get it.
Maybe about.
Debbie.
No, Debbie.
Yeah.
I'll go for free. So the team is free Division 1. How them qualify Aba
Premium.
We no about one season do akem. What's our ton then sika.
Faso bebre.
Massa. What could I mean shout?
I'm born so bobo ni yepa.
Oh, come on.
Bobo ni yepa.
Come on. He was that ever present. You see, sorry BBN go star on the shack.
Yakubu hack
and an elbow at the back. And a hack prior. Until Farouk Bayano. Any other centre back abeba BBN go stars biano or partner no.
Oh, okay.
He's the only constant at their back. Massa. Jenna nanga senye. So what I say. No ni mejuma. We so so edema players omuko BBN no. The entire players ni bi ko BBN ni ayenti ase no. Omo sha obo say obobo ni ye na offer ne ba say Kim.
Omemo
akọ. Tu bebo. Se mauli wa yoko BBN ni na onti ase a. On to your hospital. On to your rent. Obedidi at least 1 meal a day free. BBN on. The health insurance BBI cover. Look, the Senate Uncle Bisa because sustainability manager ni Mr. Sayebo among 10. No mukutia. Mr. Sayebo na finance officer for the mining company and a board chairman for BBN Gold Stars. Nti omo nim adwuma omo ye wo. Say ya na epe no akonya bana boys ne ko no manya bibi kakra be fie. You get it? Ethiopia Coffee ombetua ne kayas team bia Ghana. So Ethiopia Coffee. We nya Ethiopia tea.
Ethiopia Coffee.
So what I say. Nti no eto da bia mo bi ani ni adwum. Ni ehu men kofa phone no mfa o data and control sebi. Nze hu no mfa players no. Adwuma no mo ye no. Expiry date down.
Yeah.
It's a very short span. Ken Faisal. Edubiasi. Wana makwarie iswa ene braso so tu kwan a na me CEO am say me ma onko ko say du boa obeko e do okọ no. You get the point? Obie ni obibie ni ene a obetima bie na no se bia cancer money afa ne ho. So guess dey nyina ye hu dem.
Oh and there's
good. But na dwuma obeye no obibie ni no de sort as say wa ya ye ni ye until Osoko. What I say? Young Ivorian midfielder.
Yeah.
From Division 2. Right. A friend in Neri.
Oh, okay.
Season we biweni.
For Ediana.
Yeah, for
Ediana Football Club.
Player. You didn't be see a kind this season. Or Ivorian. Small boy. Biweni na Neri.
Oh, we're a young guy.
Say, oh dear, biweni na a young Ivorian boy.
Fatah Neri.
There is quality in the system, in the lower divisions. Team bien Ghana any sort of top players to survive. Now we team na go ahead. Obia Bokau. This is Scandinavian confess carefully the dream no they be rem. Ntino look, mama administrators the pressure. And I sign Obia. Team ne say you need can 30,000 na. A car had 10,000 is yen to answer on sign release.
Modi Omoka Dada.
Obi Hadika. A Jumanetting. Football. No. Massa Sikanimo. A Juman. There's not a single club that is running at a profit in Ghana. Not a single one. But this will be a ton player 2 million euros now when you are generality baby and a scannable. A car wa bonds and autos are player. Massa. So it was a good night. Obia peso ton, Obia ton. The trading has been very good. So one thing I who a window women in many teams and say the coaches were so involved in the players they want.
Yeah.
I'm reliably informed saying near summer text for any even when I'm not walker, I walk Cape Coast no. Now I'll catch up far away. Training program summer text running in Sicily or Austria, but on our trauma. You get it? The coaches are so involved. I don't never see to go. Never see a coach baby. Your coach said that.
Oh, Yamo.
This is the first time Adriana signings are back with signature. The only player who has had a pass in this transfer period, Minta. And look at because Unimno. And then there's been a warning to him. Say he has just 7 days to catch up with the training. You see a fast striker man or see a Pequesi Mensa. Yes, team need a look. A team I near Brew or Debbie or build the team. See, team here, young country. I saw Kwamas now, man, Kwesi Mensa.
And I'm a farmer, Hamas account.
What farmer hammer account? Also, a young striker. They will no bit me at it. Look, the coach in this opinion, obey.
I also deba.
A woman also catch and say, yes, we did this offer we are. So that you don't give him just the pass. So onion your pay. You get it. Selection Obianco. Boy, our bond the mass park is Obia Ribi. Or the selection are only one cocker. This is the first time I want to do a signings. There is a focus on youth players more. Every single name there, a player, what when who. I don't have friend is about born and this is Solo Abaji has been their top scorer.
Yeah. They be Oshigo.
Oh no, or a local boy. No, I found don't ask you no maybe or Adriana saying to my name or said that. Born in the airborne, or she. So look, it's not so much a good business. Sikakum into the yempe age profiler, experience kakra. The only reason why Adriana managed to register by Angel and they say Kweku Nuruddin Abdullahi from formerly of Kerala left. Into no wow other teams no and 70 a be Jeff it's an eye opener who do matter
Football lesson.
Yes, no football administrators no. Look, who do matter I say I hear registration and we could do you say nobody even knows the exact position.
So Bebu
Massa.
So register no register has for the so more register.
I'll be a story here.
I will almost more register.
I'll be a story here. No actual crime for Simemia. A cocoa to Baby defending it now. The all prosecutors Baby bought a charges the goodness until be a semade.
I win at the end of the day, a player no a cocoa as and register no. Foreign office no biamba do bi wono ho na nkuya boy na as a honey carrier no
ebe ha no but when say boy na nkasa personally on J has sika say salary and signing on fee the only fee I call boy ne parties and ne representatives so a portion of the transfer fee into commitment bi akomu enti efabimo you bet me I say boy no has to folk fast signing because there is an agreement and there has been a commitment. So into OPA, you only abrogate the contract. There's John Michelobi, any man you ne Chelsea Diano. Man you agreed everything. Then there was some kind of commitment. But boy ne Chelsea or Chelsea. Then there was a refund to Manchester United plus a compensation.
Oh, okay.
Tisano, send the manager name person beba BB san a beti.
Mate, medasipa na ma mintie wimbra na about the TOA, now on the National Fitness Day, or where said the name is CTI or WIA, we are now Honorable Sports Minister call. Now, Minister could you know, cancer now, man, baya, babe, bang, the African Games are, yeah, baba, usino. Or them is a winner, ye, ya. Commotion would the found.
Benefit that is going to accrue from this national also promotes national cohesion, and we will live in peace. We use it to promote peace among Ghanaians. Aside that, we use it for talent discovery as well. The local organizing committee is part of this program, and they are fully involved to use this program to also use it to identify their talent. Aside the national sports festival they will do across the country to identify talent to form the national team for the African Games. At least we'll use it to create awareness about the African Games, which is just a year ahead of us. And aside the benefit that we are going to get, we'll use it to do promote the African Games as well.
Tia no yen command your pimpa no ebo mo de timi de ere fa ho a ni nyina no ye hwe na ye timi de remedy amount or just the games we no o hwe hon common no city city ne de ya and the National Fitness Day no say ye ni ya LOC ni wo on behwe bi and say the name city na we no crab bo na san create awareness etimi da about so bre no so na ye hwe na ye hu say the hon
honorable I think obai tournament anyway obai ye organize the tournament na I am my LOC for about some of those things. And your National Fitness Day need to create awareness to host a major tournament. So please, it can be one of the activities that one line up to do that. Here was the CIA, Ghana. We don't have an awareness creation opportunity, an avenue. Our LOC has started. We don't have. There's none. And the Obabe hosti African Games. Na aka fi back National Fitness Day no busumi bia. When you want to host a tournament of this nature, minimum 2 years is when you start creating the awareness. Yeah? This is what you do and practice globally. You're Ghana hano. You're big brands. You're Ghana for omo abobra omo Asha mine nyam ewo Ghana any baby omko bra amon nyina. So you're fortunate. You're very much Professor Zuma Nelson. You're Abedi Pele or Honomo. We have the likes of Stephen Appiah, and I'm talking about those of them who have national appeal. So about Letisa, your Leo Mars Mills, your Magresim Simo. This should be the backbone of ambassadors who unveil 2 years ahead of time. Now, starting forming the part of the main awareness creation. There are different aspects of the awareness creation. Fano say Azuma bana ata onye journalist, onye broadcaster. Na Azuma say Azuma back abakasa already for African Games. Or no Azuma no or gold medalist at 1978 African Games. What do you say? On him what it means to be part of an African Games. Obekan wasema atabeti because atat Azuma abobeti. Is the reason why you won't share say a call bid for major tournament like World Cup. On say
akuku down for no and you omo call board. Yeah. No more mudichi. A toda day a bibri man here quiet me select other nation no. Say we are South Africa they could me also be the pill na nime do. Ebia we enemy do on beken hone enko.
Yeah, what Nyamia Shrai Womwa. As you speak now, what to be that? What to say? You unveil your mothers or you unveil them as ambassadors of the African Games.
Yeah, Ramusa, the former sports minister on Africa Games, no the bishop didn't come on Bisano. There, what is a botima crown ye age member where they call? I know you see no the my.
I actually haven't followed. Now we are the farmers who say, yeah, Baby Africa. And I'm saying, African Games near Babena, minimi. It seems as if said the country, there's nothing really going on because a major tournament. Uncle was said by now, no. You see, BBC, you have to mobilize the country and the citizens. So, me whosa mobilization, and I mean, how far they've gone with the construction and all those things.
So clearly, Adiana Nijiana Efe. By Kwan Crofafa Swayama Aya Krabeshe, I see a suya Ayebino, Yenim Yansueno. A major tournament like this, na afiba kwaka. Unam Kroma Enopa, Bisa secondary school for me, primary school, secondary school for. Or first secondary school 4,000. Omo be can someone say Ghana will say African Games and do 10. Nkolau and do 10. Nam Chrome companies are kuku dam baby journalists. Because awareness creation does not even exist. Zero. I have various avenues. You create quiz programs together with the media. What do I say? You create quiz about African games.
Yeah.
A major form of creating now when our prizes about creating competitions. First cycle, second cycle institutions. And we say, ora in Kraya. I didn't billboard benefits African games. That was strategic locations. There were STC, any VIP. We reference STC because they are state there. One logo be one African Union, and African game logo STC. Because STC Ekon Cry, Eba Kumasi Debia. Ayalolo buses now one cry in the mano. Where father me can't cry because a honor, a trino, a tituno, botiano, a honor, yes, multi-purpose, no, and a runny legon, honina, a crowd, oh, that buses be or African games be basso.
Dabi.
Nothing. As you speak now, we should be looking at once I babe hosted crowd, Sebi. A quantia de affair, a discanner. The aspect of revenue generation. Senabia, the expenditure scout mine be secretary. One of the major areas of tourism. Besides, as you speak now, what is the state of your tourism sector? Hinfan and Crofono, Baomoba, Hinfan on Beko, Akoshe, how Ghana, you see your baby a fair kama, out your history, your rich culture, nothing. I bet generated huge revenue, am I? Your food chain industry or Ghana, being found as a baby almost and crying and Cape Coast, make out. What is the networking? So be perceive your ton ideal. How are we directing on Bebano to know that here we are ABR checker? What in that Ivorians, checker.
Yeah.
Your bar him for no be checker. Why when they are checker? You coordinate these things. So it's easy upon request. African games. Ghana, we are hosting.
Yeah.
One of the major ways to raise revenue is a top, and a better first top stars from African countries no, to come and perform here. A major revenue generation. Papa no benum we no Accra we no.
Christmas.
Look, it was a disaster. Attender, it was mad. Me attended Lucky Dubu Accra Sports Stadium. It was crazy. So top musical stars na crank Kumasi. When you bring Peace Square now,
Davido
look Ghana,
yeah.
The ladies no more pay whiskey time for whatever reason you I don't know.
Whiskey need Davido. Girls in each mom.
You understand me? Now, if you have two city performance, Accra and Kumasi, that is huge. Osiembo of how? We could have arranged to bring him. AU could have done that easily through Ghana. Yeah, say any hosty. We could have made sure we have him. Obi one of our own, promoting the African games. Because of Usain Bolt, me bought Teleco BAD. But the Teleco, ebe catch say ni mobile network no speed. The speed no, that is here Usain Bolt. That is going to be good endorsement and only it will give them a lot of revenue. Oh, if you know, Friday wear.
Yeah.
So, would per se corporate. So, me come on mobi, and be a miniaco, me, I be a yenny, be Mike and atara ozo momo bottom you drew.
Yeah.
Now, say, corporate wear, banks, state agencies. ATL ni GTP ehwan dia nya aban dia so omo said there say omo pam PB on African games no what they say na the logo no at aban kraba ni share say eba state agencies na obi antobi Friday bi obi ehye bi afi baako to the games omo kram to be chemo customers oma Aban Enyes Kefra Abadu de kakra to production cost by GTP and ATL. But sana Enyes kana onya raise for the games. So As you speak now, but when you do a lunch and you actually come out this but nothing. Look, Shane Koso about African games. Now, Minister, only when you to an fitness. Now, fitness is a week beer. Awareness is not going to be created once a year. When a tournament is just a year away from now.
The proper the
and no, about one of them, African or the Nwaba. But where the year can weigh a Kosudada. This one should be ongoing. Every day, every week, baby about African. And you cry about composing African game. And you know him.
Am I?
And you know him. And they're composing that way. So please, and you be beyond the idea politics. No. Sometimes, if you have nothing to say, it's better honorable to keep quiet.
Abos domate, medasipa, na abrantepa do one more Sir Patrick suit and collections. Na emiza abrantepa adopala muzu ni ebusa isi zana. Liverpool ba kwa mo show mo na mo bozi zana. Na ojaba yire na ajinja mo sana na sesen. E na ayiduasi Pulisic. Bro me gidi zo ho ye. I go United for the Bino.
Chelsea
I don't know what Chelsea.
I said your city Liverpool for.
Okay. I only a Chelsea ni ba to shishi. No mama ojama ye disturb kakra. Meteo.
National actually Sompa duase. Tenu na pan for I show me say from say nyame admo chena no. Sompa duase ne baswa nyasem ketwa kra man can hear by way the Ghana's journey to professionalism using the club licensing route and they boy come and Kasimbia my yes baby will be just a club licensing and then some baby and about park so and only board and only utima and I brought baby echna or more kofa di by penny form dano or kunini Dr. Kwame Berniako or no ebeba betina dream na wedding come sounds na nipa our no Kwame a board chair. Now manager for club licensing no Emuna Ben Julius. Na say no ko ware man oba kama o dey fan taste kama. Ya na ejire man e man bako. Nti no echina duana say tam na dem kama na atena se a penfo bi di animu na omadi nkomo ne afa pen paper. Na esuan dey free.
Mate eti ochina duana se be de pa. Ma me kona me fa for no. Kakra na ye hwese de name city 0541 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 me pacho di ani baby a okasafi
dia bi ni na one because of the food
chama mi
the 3 season na ko yelo ko no Sudan and then na ko me adono so e dey match less successful because ko chita ni jam pan to the 3 season there the selected players can more them up. Into no be and pass score like in fine so looking. The fire the entire place and your umpire no over my TV. Africa means America on a bar. In the Africa, and what they call us, and enough of the and say, yeah, the caramel.
Medan Semepacho, Diani baby Akasafi.
Such a decree, common station. Papa, now, would be such a rubber bank. I was on the mark. What do you have to do to her and ask you? Now, no more for the company for us. Now, yesterday, I met one common. Should none of one. Then going couldn't be. Said another number will come. The prayer to move to me. I won't tell me. The motivation. So that they are done at the beginning of the nation. It became a
Medasipa, me pacho diani baby Akasafi.
Bajo Kasafu Gozo.
It's you.
Abu Dhabi. They have a career.
Me ho ye na nzo e
toko atapoku so no ho ya pa
chama ho ye ebe zo ni ade ba bibi za oni ana ho ye me ba jo di ani baby akasa fi
ba so pe mai ke se pe me ku
me ba jo mitio
me pa che na me ti se odita ba ko ka se e na o ba has na so ma re chama manager so mo start na the manager di ko has for me ya se ko ti ya wo se ko to so man di kana waje ipese hello
mitio pa
ipese ni pano ka se e manager ni di Yeah, with the mission of my Kawan. The person woman number and Shannon.
Mate, me debe to ama why? Me pa cho die ni bibia kasafi. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I die ni bibia kasafi. Yeah, go.
Opani kaka America. And the transferring dono abe I go so constant for the domatic to be. That is you know, I say, where you are more a play, I have this kind of excuse. Omugo, the first part, and sometimes I want that boy to make number mobile. Yamenya, no more than pass somebody Gama to the Africa Hamas. That's why they bring that it's not the coach. Omnian players on your money. Already, a son of Naman was never young find the idea. I don't know what you do.
Mate medase pa me pa cho die ni bibia kasafi.
Yes, very good. That's great.
Wa jo meet you.
Yeah, winning. As a couple, 2 and 10, I am motivated to be between argument. A man of what the idea over the house of Omutina with a bad season, the canal. But business speaker because and commerce answer almost show more product back for Freddie. Also, the work.
Mate medase pa me pa cho die ni bibia kasafi. Hello. Yes, I'll do any baby Akazavi.
But I am Kalusha Kazavi half minute.
I'll meet you.
Atapuku, I was in Kasa, who can't inform you. Naman you think that you're to go up never send the Juma Power.
Yo, Mate, medase pa pacho, udieni baby Akazafi. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I'll do any baby Akazavi.
Francis, Nagasafi. Francis, Nagasafi for something.
Meet you.
Sompa SME.
About your honey.
Ade papa na o say Casemiro enye great player no. Ade won anywhere ku afọ na. Omo ko ba ho. Hey.
Mate, I'm very interested. About your dear baby Akazavi.
You come up here.
Be Akazavi.
Apia mikasa scratch my back party.
Meet you.
Kakam person kan se dem a share na dem ni ya. Liverpool ya lisi. Ya be kwani akoye hu work ni. That kuma sa France kwata for the France team that start me ma be ko ya mai. Na edit the defending their title.
Mate medase pa me ba cho die ni baby Akazavi. Hello.
Hello.
As I'll do any baby Akazafi. Yeah, me too. I'm sorry, me for you. I'm about to do any baby Akazafi.
Hello. Akazafi no money go.
Bajo me too.
Yes. Akazafi no money go.
Yeah, me too. Bajo do any baby Akazafi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
Morris in the Africa.
Me too.
Mr. Last time I talked to you, play and wow, you say, wow, at the Salam, wow, you play at Mahas. If you can't send a question, you will out. You know, is Castle, and made them already set to an ivy. One kind of possibility, I sent a day to my bonus, I have to play any career.
Mate, medase pa, me pacho do any baby Akazafi.
Hello, your friend, Nana Lampon, Kasafi Konango.
Nana me too.
Money for more money in how much Liverpool because they say the big reason why I best coach and not really much. League nothing else at Mutombo.
Mate medase pa, me pacho na uchato do any baby Akazafi.
The friend the Kasafi is here.
Lose me too.
Because the bomb mine now, no, yeah, and I'm concerned about. Your friend is empty. Because that means that. Mine now, yeah, analysis. concerned about African game. No one said nothing because why are they pa? You probably say men concern come form and come forth na sa the brain so but because omo you won't be asking when you want games you know omo tiasie na nipa e bi oye ya fana ono na djuma die ni eni ho na yakofa na na behim so onye my ebere na akoso.
But I'll separate here from Zina for your call, Quabra Kesimo, Crowd, News Net, also free to forever, now shoot out in a remedy amount.